Hi everyone, and welcome to day 2 of 7 days of spring soiree, which is the project that I did last year. Every day I will choose a project, show you, work on it, and then come back and show you the progress. So yesterday I pulled out Finish You Know Dasher, which is this one, and I showed you it was a little cross stitch piece, and I have finished it. So I've made it into a little pillow. I've sewn on some satin ribbon and done lots of little cross stitches down the ribbon and made it into a little pillow. So that's one ticked off the list, which I'm very, very happy about. So the next thing, where's our pen? So that's this one here. Right, let's draw another number and see what we're working on next. Okay, 7 days of spring soiree. Day 2 will be the crochet rainbow jumper. So I haven't shown this before, but I will go and grab it and I will be back in a second. Okay, so where are we? This is a project I started a little while ago when we were going up to the Sunshine Coast to visit my daughter. I started this in the car, so let me just shovel those in there. And it's a gift for my boss's daughter. So it's a little crochet jumper. I haven't done the sleeves, and I'm just working on the bottom band. So that's nearly finished. I've only got that much to do on the band, and then the arms. So this is a pattern from where is it? Oh, here we go. Child's Granny Stripe Bell Sleeve Jumper Crochet Pattern by Crafty. So that's the pattern that I'm using. So that's the little jumper there. So I haven't got too much more to do on that, and then it'll be done. So that's what I'll be working on for day 2, and I will be back tomorrow to draw another number and show you the progress. So see you then. Bye.